Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbo hybrid iForce Max engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, bed liner, crawl control, drive mode selector, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We got this black interior paneling coupled with storage on the bottom. Next to the speakers, you get more storage. You got that TRD badging. Power locks, mirrors, and windows. And you're gonna have this TRD running boards. These power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats, super comfortable. Hop in, left side you're gonna have your vents, as well as your auxiliary and AC power, as well as the cargo lamps. Left side of steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition, with the right side being your cruise, lane keep assist, and forward gap adjuster. So you got adaptive cruise here. It's gonna give you all of your gauges here from left to right, and as well as your pitch and roll and locking rear diff and other settings. So it's gonna be push to start and onto the infotainment. So obviously ginormous. You got your huge navigation screen here, as well as your AM FM radio, and as well as downloadable services including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Get your trip info, and as well as your profiles all on the side there. And down below, you're gonna have the climate controls with the heated steering wheel, and as well as a wireless charging pad and 2 USB ports. You're gonna have the grab handle here, the TRD lettering, as well as your transfer case and drive mode selector, as well as crawl control. You're also gonna have your tow, locking rear diff, and as well as a 360-degree camera there. Very cool. And center console storage, of course. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. At TRD, you got the Tacoma badging with the JBL sound system with the Bluetooth speaker that you can remove in case you want to have some tunes. Pops right back in. And up here you can access reading lamps, SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you get these 18-inch TRD wheels on Falcon Wild Peak AT3 tires. You're gonna have the iForce Max badging, paint match mirror caps, and the black door handles. You got the TRD off-road badging as well, exhaust, that iForce Max, trailer hitch, fifth wheel just under, and as well as you got the lamps here with built-in AC power and bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, get more cup holder storage there next to the speakers with the TRD and the power windows. It's a Tacoma, so don't expect too much leg room. Storage behind the passenger side here with rear cup holders, rear USB-C, and an AC wall port there. You got a sliding window here with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road, equipped with a 2.4-liter iForce Max turbo hybrid engine, as well as heated ventilated leather seats, crawl control, Falcon all-terrain tires, bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.